Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where we climb one Korean rung at a time.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. Korean Ladder에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 춘호입니다. 오늘은 공손한 말끈 요를 또렷하게 지켜볼게요.
Here's my problem. I try to say 좋아요, but it comes out kind of like 좋아요. Is that a big deal?
좋은 질문이에요. 표준 발음에서는 좋아요의 마지막은 요예요. 입술을 동그랗게 모아야 해요. In standard Korean, the polite ending is 요 with rounded lips.
여는 입술이 덜 둥글고 혀가 더 앞쪽으로 가요. 요는 더 둥글고 뒤쪽 느낌이에요. That is the main difference.
So for polite Korean, the little ending I keep hearing is der nuts.
맞아요. 오늘의 패턴은 공손한 요예요. It makes a sentence or short answer sound polite.
예를 들어요. 좋아요. The last syllable is 요, not 여.
커피예요. 여기서도 마지막은 요예요. It means it is coffee.
저요. This is a polite short answer. Me. Again. 요.
이거요. And it means this one. Politely. The particle 요 can attach to a short phrase too.
I hear it now. 좋아요. 커피예요. 저요. 이거요. My lips have to make a little circle at the end.
Let's unpack the mouth position. For 요, start from an oo-like rounded mouth, then glide lightly to 오. Keep it compact.
여는 달라요. 입술을 많이 모으지 않고 입이 더 열려요. In English terms, 여 feels less rounded and more open.
So if my mouth relaxes too much, can slide toward a.
Exactly. The fix is not to make it louder. The fix is lip shape. Small round lips at the end.
한번 들어보세요. 좋아요. 마지막 요가 짧고 둥글어요. Listen. The final 요 is short and rounded.
커피예요. 예요 안에도 마지막 요가 있어요. It ends politely and clearly.
Can I try? 좋아요.
좋아요. 조금 더 입술을 모아서. 좋아요. Very nice. Just round the final 요 a little more.
좋아요.
좋습니다. Now let's hear 요 inside예요. 커피예요.
커피예요.
완벽해요. 예요의 마지막도 요예요. The final sound stays rounded.
이제 짧은 대화를 들어볼게요. Notice how every polite ending keeps you clear.
이거 좋아요?
네, 좋아요.
커피예요?
네, 커피예요.
I noticed the endings were not huge. Just clean. 좋아요. 커피예요.
맞아요. 크게 말하지 않아도 돼요. You do not need a big ending. You need a clear ending.
Repeat after me. 저요.
저요.
좋아요. 이번에는 이거요. One, please.
이거요.
Good. Now longer one. 오늘 좋아요. It sounds like today is good or today works.
오늘 좋아요.
좋아요. 마지막 요가 잘 들려요. Your final yo is easy to hear.
What about if I say 커피예요 by accident? Would Korean people still understand me?
They may understand from context, but it sounds off in standard Korean. The standard polite form is 커피예요.
실수의 원인은 보통 입술이에요. The mistake usually comes from flat lips, not from grammar.
Quick repair drill. First, make a small round mouth. Then say 요. Then put it back into 좋아요.
요 좋아요.
아주 좋아요. The yo by itself and the yo in the sentence should feel like the same vowel.
Quiz. You are ordering politely and want to say, this one, please. Which pronunciation target is standard and clear?
I think A, 이거요. B loses the rounded, and C sounds casual, right?
정답은 A, 이거요예요. B is the vowel slip, and C is casual 이거야, not polite ordering.
One more check. In 커피예요? Where do you protect the rounded sound? At the final요?
시요. The last syllable is the one I should not flatten.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 공손한 말끝은 요예요. In English, the polite ending you hear at A1 is 요, not 여.
둘째, 요는 입술을 동그랗게 모아요. In English, protect yo with a small round mouth.
셋째, 여는 입술이 덜 둥글고 더 열려요. In English, if your lips go flat, you can slide toward 여.
넷째, 크게 말하기보다 또렷하게 말하세요. In English, do not exaggerate the ending. Shape it cleanly.
Keep her sentence for me. 좋아요. Short, polite, and round at the end.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 좋아요. Round the yo and you sound clearer right away.
다음 단계에서는 예요와 이예요를 더 또렷하게 들어볼게요. Until then, keep climbing.
This was Korean Ladder. I'm Ava. See you on the next rung.